Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable ghost mode on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Snap map at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here now you can tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure that you updated the latest version of Snapchat. If you can't update, you can go to the App Store and Play Store and update it the latest version. If you turn off the ghost mode on Snapchat, you will find the option ghost mode. Now make sure that you disable this option. You can disable this by tap on it. This is the way you can disable ghost mode on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.